Good evening. I'm Epstein with your Metal Market Wrap-Up, and this wrap-up is for the evening of Monday, the 23rd of December, 2024, and the time right now, 6:20 p.m. Central Time. Before I go any further, Merry Christmas to one and all for Wednesday. Happy Hanukkah the same way. I doubt that I'll be doing updates tomorrow night. We only have a half day of trading tomorrow, so I probably won't do anything. I would say that count on me for Friday to be back. I wouldn't count on Thursday. Day after Christmas, I might not be back from where I'm going. I will be here by Friday, though, so we'll get that all taken care of. And as you know, volume is fairly light right now. You're trying to make heads or tails what to do at Christmas time. It's never the easiest time. So tomorrow, you're going to get the Red Book retail sales out at 7:55. The Richmond Fed, they're going to update their monthly manufacturing sector indices for December, and that comes out at 9. You will get the API stockpiles at 2. I don't think anybody will be around because just about every market's closed at noon or thereabouts. And please keep in mind that you're closed on Wednesday in the markets, but they'll open Christmas night in many areas, and then you'll be trading on Thursday. So remember to keep your eye on it. Traders will start getting involved Thursday. You will get some volume in the markets, and we'll see what goes on from there. Just don't count on me. A day off, well needed with the family, and I want to be there with them. All righty. So what took place today is, let me come back to this right over here, is the markets, if you will, had another rally. So the stock markets are coming up. Is this the Santa rally? It might be. It officially kicks in. Some people think it's the 25th, some the 26th, others the 17th. So there's two dates, and I've made mention, but you are coming up in some of the key markets. You've been watching silver gain back on gold over the past few days. The dollar index up again, as many of the currency markets, if you will, wilting in front of them as we get closer and closer to January 20th with whatever President-elect Trump is going to do. You're still under the 70 level in the February WTI oil. Differential between the two, about $3, just sitting back and forth in there. Natural gas pushing up towards $4 as that terrible cold weather is hit many parts of the country, and bonds and notes steady to higher. So if you take a look at the gold market, starting the week out, you're down $16. You're under the 2640 level. Now, if we take a look at how this market performed, you finished the week off on Friday at 2628.70, and that was $7 under the 18-week average. So you're following through a little bit. We don't know where it'll finish up this week, but that's what you're doing right now. When we look at Feb Gold on its own, you can see how the market did set back. The pattern of the trade for the moment is lower highs, lower lows. Should the market get up and over 2653.80, the market actually at that point negates the downtrend. Resistance would be a bit higher at 2668.50. Should the market fail, the area it's now having trouble getting back over is right here in the green, the 100-day average of closes. Then the Bollinger Band acts as your support at 2600. So you're sort of back and forth right here. Certainly not yet saying a year-end rally is going to spurt. Momentum-wise, you're oversold in the market. When we come to the gold-silver ratio, you can see what I'm saying. You backed off this market just recently. You can see this right here. I'll walk it back for you. You got up to a high point on this of 88.68, and from there you started backing yourself off, and that's pretty much what you've done. You might be going back to the 18-day average of closes. We'll see. In the silver market, you've been down hard. You got to the Bollinger Band bottom 3 days ago, and you basically stopped declining. You got oversold. The first rally probably runs into resistance at the 200-day average. If the market rallies further, then look for stiff resistance, 31.22 to 31.2670, the combination of the 100-day average and the 18. clear that zone and you knock out the bear trend, and then anything can happen. Right now you still have the pattern of lower highs, lower lows. In the copper market, still down. Market trying to get a little bit of a bounce. I could actually take that blue arrow and move it right over here, and I should have. The pattern's still an oversold condition. It's gone from the upper Bollinger Band to the lower, and when it got there, I think I told you, I said, I wouldn't be surprised if you see professional short covering here coming to the end of the year. Don't know what traders are going to play for right at the very end. In the platinum, we're trying to get over these highs, which we're now succeeding in doing, and you're out of the downtrend. You're not in an uptrend, but you're not in a downtrend. If the market continue the rally, look for the 964.30 level, the upper Bollinger Band, and maybe some whipsaw action back and forth at the 18-day average at 944.10. When we come to the dollar, being stalled at the upper Bollinger Band, market not embedded, overbought at this point. You need to get 3 days in a row where these numbers are over the 80 level, and you don't have it, as you can see. So, as I view the market, typical holiday. Will Santa arrive for the stock market? Where do the markets want to go? Well, I'll write about it, but I'm probably not going to do an awful lot between now and Friday. But when I do it, twice daily updates will be there. I'm just going to take off some time. Tonight I am writing my newsletter, but it'll be very brief. And then I'll have off tomorrow for most of the day, since we close at noon, and Friday, and coming back into the markets, over the next couple of days. But when I write, I give you buy and sell recommendations. I give you reasons that I'm seeing the market making moves. Everything I do is fairly specific. If it's a momentum trade, I tell you, you got to lose the lost momentum. If it's a straight stop, what it is. I cover this whole spectrum of the markets with you. And the idea there is to match up daily and weekly charts trying to come into trade ideas. They do offer you some longer term ideas when they come about. We also give you our QT Mobile as a subscriber, so you can keep up with things. And we now have web texting. You know what that is? You get these from all the websites. When you would go to their site and you come on there and you do something important, they'll send you a notice that something's there. It's not a text message, it's a web notice. And we've gone to those rather than texting. This way we can go to the vast array of people we have all over the world. We are not just in the United States. We have clients in many, many foreign countries, and for that reason we moved to the web texting, because otherwise you got to go to each country and go to a local service that works with your phone. It's too difficult. How do you get this? It's simple. Just go to iraepstein.com. If you've never tried it, go to the free offers on the page. If you've tried it and you've gone through your free offers with me, which a lot of you do, then just go to the research area, pick it up there. There will not be a Christmas sale this year on my research. That's already happened. But what you will see is when I come back from holiday, it could be Thursday, we're going to put up my courses. And you'll be able to find a neat gift there that you can get for yourself. You can give one away to a friend. You'll see what we put together. iraepstein.com research. I'm Ira. I will catch up with you all tomorrow morning. I will be putting out the updates then. Take care.